What's up, guys? Bronx back here with another video. This time we're gonna be doing a how to get your freeform dreads easily.
Before I put it in, I smack her ass. Pull out my Feezy, hit record, turn on the flash. We gon' make a movie like Ray J and Kim Kardashian.
So it's gonna be pretty simple. I might, if I'm not lazy, I might show you guys a couple clips on my hair in the beginning stages. If I still got like some good pictures from like freshman years.
Oh! Somebody! Oh! He needs some milk!
Bruh, look at this dude. Wait till you see the. No. Look at the top of his head. Look at his lips. So, this is my hair right now, and I'm a senior about to graduate. So, this is my hair right now. I do get it trimmed every 2 weeks, so it doesn't really get too long because I kind of like to keep it at this look. I really don't like it having it too long, like smack my ears and all that. So I just keep it at this length right now. I might grow it longer later in a couple months, but I kind of like it short like this. So I just prefer it like this, you feel me? Alright, so boom, this is what you're gonna need to get your freeform dreads easily. Get the Eco Styling, y'all can see that? Eco Styling hair gel. Get this, alright? And make sure you get a little pick for y'all. Get yourselves a pick. Maybe a metal pick if you're mad nappy. I got you. And you already know what time it is. Wave brush. Y'all see that? Wave brush. Get y'all a wave brush. That's gonna bless y'all. If you want your hair like mine, get a wave brush. But if you can't afford a wave brush, that's okay. Twist sponge. I got y'all. Get this twist sponge. This is the best one. It costs a little bit more than like a regular twist sponge that you would see at like a beauty shop, but this one is definitely worth it. High quality, takes forever. For this to wear it down takes forever. Look, I've used this for about 2 years, like here and there. Then I went to the wave brush, but yeah, this doesn't. Bro, look at it. Look at the. This is the same length when I bought it. It's just like some parts are broken down. That's it. And like, make sure y'all stay consistent with your hair, cause in the beginning, I know a lot of people that are watching this video is gonna have short hair, like I did in the beginning. But you have to stay patient. That's the most important thing in this whole process, because it took me like what, a year and a half? No, it took me a year to get the look I really wanted, and now it's just getting even better. So all it takes is a year or two, but you gotta stay patient, because if you're not patient, you're not gonna get it how you want it, or how you want to get like mine at least. Just like waves, you gotta stay patient. So that's like the biggest tip for y'all. Y'all gotta stay patient, because I know like this generation is not very patient, but y'all could do it. Just keep watching my videos, and I got y'all. I'll give y'all the tips, I'll give y'all the keys. Y'all could DM me on Twitter, IG, Snap, I got y'all. Alright guys, now how to get freeform dreads easily. For example, take like a section of like part of your hair that's like not twisted, right? Now you see this? Y'all see that? Alright, keep it like that, guys. Keep it like that. Now, if it's not like how you like it right now, try to like pick out the tips. Get a little deeper when you pick it out. But I'm not gonna pick it out. I'm straight, I'm smooth. You feel me? You feel me? Then, you know, get your Eco Styling hair gel. Oh wait, I took a little too much. Get your Eco, y'all see that? Focus. Alright, Eco Styling hair gel. Yeah. That's what you gotta do. Twist that up. Yes, sir. And y'all can either do the whole finger thing, but this section was so small that I really didn't have to use the twist sponge, for example, and there you go. And I could get a little deeper, but over time, in like a couple of days, it's gonna like dread up or twist up, whatever you want to call it, because now my hair is used to doing that stuff. But yeah, when you have like a big section, let me look into the camera. When you have a big section, you feel me? When you have a big section, You just gotta go in a circular motion to get your desired look. That's all you gotta do. When you have a big section, when you have like a little section, just use your finger and use some water too. But this is just for show. You know, I really don't do this all the time. In the beginning stages, I did. And you could use the wave brush if you want to get like more of like a spiky look. Because the twist, it really does, because these holes, they're not huge, but like, it's not gonna be the same look. The wave brush is more like a Super Saiyan look, and then this is more like a, just like a regular boy just uses like a sponge brush. You don't know that look. I know there's someone in like your middle school, your high school that just be used to the sponge, and you see how their hair be looking? Cause they use this. Y'all want to use a wave brush. If you want your hair like mine, use a wave brush. If you want your hair like mine, use a wave brush. That's all I gotta say. If you don't want to look like me, fine. That's your fault. You don't want to get girls? Fine, don't. I'll try to help you. I try to give you the keys. You ain't take it. You ain't open the door. Not my fault. Don't get mad at me because you ain't use the keys. I'm giving you all the tips, and that's pretty much all I can really give for y'all to get your freeform jets easily. If you want to look like me, if you want to get a girl, if you want to get money, do that. I'm giving you the keys. There'll be more Thoughts Boy haircut tutorial videos. I'm giving you guys the keys. I want you guys to be very, very successful when it comes to your hair, when it comes to getting girls, being successful in school. I want you guys to graduate. All that. I'm being very motivational for y'all. And I have allergies, so if I sound weird, that's why my nose is clogged up. I'm struggling to breathe, talk, all that. But yeah, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Hold up. Subscribe. You know, share the video. We're gonna blow up. We're gonna get to 200 subs. We're gonna get back to 300, 400, 500. We're gonna keep on going. You know, we're gonna get to LA. You feel me? You know, we're gonna do all that. And you know, Rockstar here. We out. Peace. Here. Hey. Bye.
Yeah, whole point is around my motherfucking neck, nigga. Yeah, 6 carats in my ears, nigga. Yeah, I look like a blizzard, little nigga. Yeah, too many chains, bitch, you can't change. Yeah.